Eradicating all invasive species from ecosystems would have complex and far-reaching consequences, both positive and negative. On one hand, native species and ecosystems could recover from the pressures caused by competition, predation, and habitat alteration introduced by invasives. Biodiversity in many regions might increase as local species regain their ecological niches, and the functioning of ecosystems could stabilize, fostering healthier environments. However, many ecosystems have already adapted to the presence of invasive species over time. In some cases, these species now play integral roles, such as providing food or habitat for native organisms. Removing them abruptly could create cascading effects, disrupting food webs and potentially harming native populations that have come to depend on them. Additionally, the sudden removal of invasive plants might lead to soil erosion or the proliferation of other opportunistic species, further complicating recovery efforts. The process of eradication itself would also pose challenges. Large-scale removal efforts could require significant resources and potentially involve methods harmful to the environment, such as chemical treatments or mechanical disruptions. The logistics of identifying and targeting every invasive species across the globe would be monumental, and unintended consequences could arise from such interventions. Ultimately, while the idea of completely eradicating invasive species is appealing in theory, the reality is more nuanced. A balanced approach focusing on prevention, control, and targeted removal combined with ecosystem restoration may be a more sustainable and practical solution for preserving biodiversity and ecosystem health.